Cold email is dead. If you're still sending cold email, you are wasting so much time. You are literally prolonging your lifetime as a brokey, bro. Do not prolong the brokey days. don't prolong them. So if you want to keep staying broke, do all of your outreach by email. But if you want to start making some real money, I'm going to tell you how you can actually get clients without having to do cold email outreach. Okay? Let me tell you why cold email sucks so much. So to start off, man, it is so easy to ignore an email. Do you know how many emails I have piled up that will never, ever, ever be read? I get marketing emails, got emails from SEO dudes, video editors, graphic designers. I get a goddamn outreach email almost every single day. Most of the time, I don't even open them. They're extremely easy to ignore. I'm ignoring that shit, and so are your clients. And the next reason why cold email is dead and cold email sucks is because of deliverability issues, bro. You could be sitting there doing email outreach for hours a day, days a week, weeks a month for multiple months, and then be like, oh, I was ending up in spam this whole time. That's why nobody's been opening my messages. Completely wasting your time, bro. Time is money. You are literally setting your money on fire when you sit there and do cold email outreach because you don't even know if you're ending up in spam or not. Now, the next reason why cold email sucks is I already touched on this a little bit earlier, but every single dork is outreaching over email. Guys, I understand maybe your email outreach is actually legitimately good, but what you don't understand is there are so many other people who have these godforsaken shit outreaches like, hey, my name is this, I'm a video editor, I can edit you really good videos, here's my life story, here's who I've worked with, blah, 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 blah. Let me waste more of your time. Do you want to work together? I don't care how good yours is. It's going to blend in with all of those. Another reason, bro, yet another reason why cold outreach sucks. You look like a damn bot. You look like a bot. There are so many spam bots out there. People always get that shit. And you get it on your Instagram DMs. You get it everywhere. That shit's annoying. So you're going to look like a bot right off the bat. Even if you do the whole personalized first line, even if you do send a picture, you're still going to look a little bit like a bot, bro. And like, what is this? Like number 7, number 8? Bro, emails are not conversational. They're not conversational. Have you ever tried to riz a girl over email? No. You can't set the tension over email because it's way too like you send a long paragraph, they send a long paragraph back. Like you got to riz, bro. You're not rizzing over email. You can't do it. So, okay, we got it. Email sucks. Tyson, email sucks. We understand. So what should you do instead? Well, the methods that have been working for me a lot better and everybody else in the community is Instagram and Facebook. So first of all, one of the reasons why these is better is because you can actually create your page. Like when you send somebody an email, you are a nobody. You are just a random nobody, could be a bot, don't even know who you are. You could be a prince from Nigeria who's trying to scam me. You send from a Facebook, you send from an Instagram, they're one click away from seeing your profile. And then that profile can be set up like a funnel. That profile can tell them what they need to know. This is extremely important. They're going to naturally go to it. You don't have to drop them a link. You don't got to say, click here to learn more about me. No, they're going to just naturally go to your profile. On your profile, if you have the right stuff, if you show what they want to know, half the work is already done. You don't get that with email. You don't, right? Another reason, like I just said previously, is that it's way more conversational. That's why they talk about sliding in the DMs, because that's where the riz goes down, baby. That's where you get the riz from, dog. You're all up in them DMs, bro. It's a conversational. It's back and forth. You know, it's like small baby steps. Get them in the conversation. Once you're in the conversation, now they're talking to you. Now it's way harder for them to ignore you. Another reason why Facebook and Instagram are killing the game and are always going to kill the game is that read receipts are useful and they make it much harder for you to get ignored. On an email, they can open up your email, check it out, and then they just pretend like they never saw it, right? But if it's on Instagram, they understand, they know that if they leave that alone, it's going to say seen. And if it says seen, the chances of you following up with them are high. Yeah, seeing that you seen it, so what is your answer? You know what I'm saying? That makes people feel more obligated to actually reply. They can't turn them off on Instagram. So just having the read receipts is going to make you get replied to way more often. Promise you that. A lot of you guys want to know some of the Instagram methods. You want to know some of the outreach methods. Like, bro, if you haven't got the ultimate outreach playbook yet and you're on this call, like, what are you doing, bro? People have been like, oh, well, how much is the ultimate outreach playbook? Like, blah, blah, blah. It's free. I literally show you how you can get clients with Instagram and with alternative methods. Not to mention all of the dozens of YouTube videos on my channel. So many outreach methods that you have to choose from using Instagram or Facebook that are highly, highly, highly effective, that are going to completely change the game, bro. Your reply rate is going to be so much higher. It's not even funny. Now, I'll add one caveat. Yes, you can still use email. Yes, you can still get clients with email. But if you're going to get clients with email, it's really important that you at least make your main source of outreach with one of these other two methods, right? You can mess around with email a little bit on the side, but email shouldn't be your main chick, right? Email should be like a side chick. Facebook or Instagram should be your main chick. And that's why cold email is dead.